Okay, so we're going to do the circulatory system, and we're going to do first the arteries, which we start with the external carotid, and then we have the internal carotid, which turns into the common carotid. Then we have, basically down here, the brachiocephalic, which is right here. This is the brachiocephalic, and it branches out into the axillary and brachial arteries. And then we have the radial and ulnar arteries. So this would be radial and ulnar, and then brachial and axillary.
And then the deep and superficial.
And then we have the deep.
Here. The deep and the superficial palmar arches right here, and then the digital arteries.
Yes, the palmar arches and the digital. Okay, then we move from that into the aortic arch, aorta, and then we have the pulmonary arteries, which are going into the lungs, and then we have, basically going down, we have the common hepatic artery, and then we have the splenic artery, we have the celiac trunk, the superior mesenteric, renal arteries going to the kidneys. Then we have right here is the descending aorta, and then from the descending aorta we turn into the common iliac artery, which then branches out into the internal iliac artery and the external iliac artery, which then turns into the femoral artery,
And the greater saphenous artery.
and then the greater, can't find the greater saphenous artery, and this is the deep femoral artery. Then we have continue with the femoral artery into the popliteal, which goes behind, it's behind the posterior to the humerus and tibia. And then we go into the anterior tibial artery, posterior tibial artery, and we have the fibular artery, and the arcuate,
The dorsipedi.
dorsipedi, and the arcuate artery.
There you go.